What's up, you beautiful people? It's Courtney. Welcome back. Today I'm doing a life hacks video for you, and these are going to be some beauty life hacks that I actually use in my day-to-day life that I think are very helpful, so I thought I would share them with all of you. If you want to see some more life hacks and you like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up, and let's see if we could get this to 1,000 likes. So that's a little challenge for you guys, and we can't forget our notification squad before I get started. If you want to be a part of this, all you have to do is make sure you're subscribed to my channel, but then turn on the little bell next to the subscribe button. That way YouTube will let you know every time I post, and then tell me you did that in the comments and you could be featured in my next video. I try to do these pretty much in every video, so it's always a good time. So anyways, without further ado, let's just jump right into this video, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. Life hack number one is something I use a lot, especially when I'm traveling, and it comes in handy if you forget your concealer or you don't have any on hand. So basically all you have to do is take some foundation and mix in a little translucent powder with it, and this is going to thicken it up and make it a great concealer. So this is a handy dandy little hack. I do this sometimes, like if I don't have the right shade of concealer, like if I'm really pale or if I'm really tan and I just don't have the right shade concealer, this is what I do. I love painting my nails dark colors, but the only trouble is I hate that it stains them yellow when I'm done. So a really good tip for this is to actually get a denture whitener tablet, and I already get these for my retainers, so it's like a win-win for me. And then you just let it dissolve and then soak your nails in it, and they'll come out good as new, and it's going to take off that stain for you. If you love the glossy eyeshadow trend, I think this is super fun to play around with, but I don't like using like a clear lip gloss or some type of lip gloss on my lid. I just think it's like really sticky and thick. So a great alternative to this is using a hydrating serum and mixing that with your eyeshadow instead, and then it's a little more thin, a little more moisturizing, and I just feel like this works a lot better. This next life hack I pretty much do every single day, and I always have trouble when I wear like black eyeliner getting all of it off with my makeup remover. I typically use my makeup remover on a cotton pad, but then I always still have some stuck in between my eyelashes, and it's just not good. So what I do is put some makeup remover on a Q-tip, and then I run this through my eyelashes, and it just gets off all the remaining makeup a lot better than just a cotton pad. It really gives you more control and lets you get every little piece off. This next hack I also pretty much do every day, and it's to use my bronzer as an eyeshadow. So this is something I really love to do because it gives you a really natural look if you're not wearing like any other eyeshadow or anything. But if you just want a little something something, it works great in your crease because it's just a natural, usually brown color. I'm obsessed with my Hoola bronzer. I use this all the time. So I just pop this in my crease, and also I'll use it like under my lower lash line, and it's just the perfect brown color. It's a perfect crease color. If you want to wear it on its own, or if you want to use it as like a transition color, I think it works amazing. If you guys know me, you know I'm not huge into lipstick. Like most days, I'm not really wearing anything on my lips unless I'm going like all out. But a little trick I like to do to kind of make my lips look a little more put together, and just like I put a little bit of effort into it, is to take a very natural lip liner and then just line my lips, and it's really going to help define the outer edges, make my lips look a little more full, and then I'll just blend it in with my finger, and that's pretty much all I do. The trick here is to find a lip liner that pretty much matches your natural lip color, and then it'll make it super easy to blend in, but it also will define your lips a lot more. Last but not least, if you have thin hair like me, here is a little bun hack for you. Pretty much what I do is if I want a nice big voluminous bun, my hair is usually pretty limp. So what I do is I put it in a ponytail first, and then I'll tease it a lot, and then just spin it around itself and twist a spin pin into it. I love these spin pins. I talk about them all the time pretty much, and it just helps hold all your hair in place a lot better than a bobby pin. The teasing also helps when I pull apart the bun. It really helps it keep its form and not really go limp. It really helps shape it as well. So that is how I get my hair not so limp when I want a bun. So those were some life hacks that I actually use. Let me know what you guys thought. What are some life hacks that you actually use? I would love to know in the comments down below. Maybe I could like test out your guys' life hacks. So I think that would be a fun video. Let me know if you'd like to see that. Just leave your life hacks down below so I could like test them out. And if you missed any of my last videos, as always, all you have to do is click on over to the side of me, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye!